So, hello and welcome to Turn the Page. I am Rucha. This is the third episode of the series called 20 something, and where I'll be talking about one thing that is you are very insecure talking about are your insecurities. So, let's get into it. But the first things first, please tell me my 64 subscribers missed me because this will be really very inspiring if I see all you guys in my comment section below. So don't forget to comment. So talking about insecurities, I discovered that couple of years ago I need to get rid of my insecurities because they are the root of all my problems. So one thing that I practiced and which helped me was I started writing all my insecurities down, and one by one I was chasing them. So I have them with me and I'm gonna read this. Of course, this is not in the manner I was used to write. I manipulated them in this 4 or 5 days when I was preparing for the video. And one thing, if you are gonna get bored while I'm reading this, then please watch this whole goddamn video because I'm saying, and you need to watch this. Okay?
I'm insecure. It's self inflicted. Doubt, nervousness, and anxiety leading to less clarity. So many paths, but they all are dark. I'm insecure about so many things, like being inspiring and leaving my mark. I'm not confident in my abilities, not even myself. Living up to all these expectations give me several fears because I don't think I can live up to my peers. With family and friends all around, I just feel like I'm bound to contain all these emotions such as regret, fears, and hate, and then ask myself, why is it in my fate? I feel like I'm being watched by each passing stranger, by each passing crowd. That's when the thought in my head get too loud, and it's scary. But then again, everything as a teenager is. Being insecure is like an abandoned house, unstable, frayed, and haunted. You see, a lot of us don't want to be weak. There is something else we seek: happiness, hope, and validation, but it is hidden. In this time, here and now, we sadly can have these things. People care too much about diamonds, jewels, and rings. I'm afraid that my fear controls me and will eventually consume me. I'm tired of pasting on my face. Everybody is in this competitive race. I want to win, but I can't. There is too much powerful pressure because to win a race you need to be in shape. That's when a tape holding my wound rip. Each burn, stretch mark, and scar makes me shiver with pain. My skin, my arm are like a burning candle begins to melt. Nobody knows the exhausting feeling I have felt. And here comes the thought again, twice as strong and me twice as weak. I'm too thick. Am I showing too much or too little skin? Society is set on beauty standards. A growing girl doesn't even match. I smile, my mouth closed because I'm too afraid to show my teeth. Family and friends, I must please. I worry that I don't worry enough for others, forgetting myself and my mental health. I'm nervous of the way the world perceives my race. When I'm simply too scared to knock somebody's door, I'm not as free as I used to be. I get anxiety from my own head, from sleeping in a bed possibly with another. I wanna wake up from this bad dream, or should I say nightmare. It's not fair. The stares and glares that I must be mercy. It's so much pressure, no one can stand up for me. Not even myself. Am I too big? This is my best, yet people say, is that really yours all? I'm drawing in the rain made by my own tears. I'm floating in fears. I'm so over being under it all. The thoughts are bad. I can't paint them all. I need to listen to them and be good. They tell me to be a man and face the world. But how can I when I'm just an insecure girl? So this is it. I want to say about this writing is that insecurities are the problem that you have created by yourself. You stuffed something in your mind, and now you're letting them to grow, and now you're letting them to hold yourself back, which is totally wrong. And you deserve to be free and live the best life as possible for yourself, and do not let anything hold you back. It is totally wrong. So here are 5 or some things that helped me, and eventually that will help you as well. So the first thing is that be aware of your insecurities. If you don't know, start writing them one by one. जैसे ही क्लिक होता है लिख लो. You chase them, chase those insecurities, and trust me, that is the best thing you can get. It is like reward to yourself that बस ये हो गया ना, सब अच्छा हो जाएगा. The second thing is, see from where this insecurity has come. Go to that deeply down rooted your childhood traumas and find that the reason. It is very important. Third thing, don't push yourself down, don't push your emotions down, don't push your insecurities down, don't hide them. They're totally useless. At least from yourself, don't hide them, be real. Okay. Fourth thing, change your perspective of seeing things. Because see, if you are judging somebody on their appearance, then you know that they can look good, but maybe that person don't know that I can't look good enough. But you know the answer, right?
If you are the one judging, then listen that you are the one who is bad. Keep that in mind.
So look at your problem as a third person, and you'll find the solution definitely. And if you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, and do all the good things you know. Please. And if you want to talk about your insecurities, I'm all time free. You can DM me anytime. I have given my ID in description box below. Instagram ID. Okay.